Hey guys, welcome back to our channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to fix the problem of volume buttons not working on your iPhone. This can be frustrating, especially if you rely on your phone for music or taking phone calls. But don't worry, the solution is very simple and easy to do. So let's get started. The first thing you need to do is check if your iPhone is working properly or not. Make sure that it's not hanging or frozen. If it is, you won't be able to fix the problem by simply pressing the buttons. If your iPhone is working properly, the next step is to turn it off for about 2 to 3 minutes. This will give your phone a chance to reset itself and might fix the problem. Click all the buttons present on your phone, including the volume buttons. Check if the buttons are working properly. If they are, turn off your phone again and restart it. This should fix the problem with the volume buttons. That's it, you have successfully fixed the problem of volume buttons not working on your iPhone. Remember, if this solution doesn't work, you can always take your phone to an authorized service center for further assistance. If you found this video helpful, please give it a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more useful videos like this. Thanks for watching and we'll see you in the next one.